Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I have another Walmart unboxing for you guys, so stay tuned. Alright everyone, so this is a fairly large box, I feel, for what I know is in here. This is a box with early birthday presents from my dad in it, so thank you, Daddy. And this is like pretty much the size of my deep freezer, which is, you know, it's not a small one, it's a pretty big one. So let's go ahead and cut into this and I'll show you what is in here. Now, I saw a video on Facebook Reels. It was originally a TikTok short, I'm pretty sure. But I saw a video of these, and again, I don't have a Walmart where I live. I am just in the smallest of small town, USA. So, I didn't have the money for it either, and I was talking about it. One of the things in here goes with something that I got in one of my previous videos. And I saw in the video not only this item, but these other items, and I was like, well, I really like these. And then I actually ended up getting two things that were different from the video, so I'll explain as I go. But as you can see, this box is huge. Got all this paper. I'll pick that up later. So, first thing, since you can see it already, I will show you is this. So, I ended up getting extra larges because I enjoy having oversized hoodies, and that is what this is. So this was one of the items in the video. I have no idea how to attach the original video. If I did, I totally would, and I don't know who, unfortunately, who the person was who made it. So, unfortunately, I don't know really how to give them people credit for finding this, but I found it because of them since I don't have a Walmart. But this is, let me just move this box. There you can see what else is in here, sorta. I'll give you a little sneak there. There's 3 more items. I'm sorry, that was probably really loud for headphone users. I don't need this hanger, but there's 3 more items in the box. So this is the first one, and I'm trying to do my best here. So this is the Hellfire Club, and this is Stranger Things. And again, this is an extra large. So here is this. If you guys want to, you can screenshot this and try to use the barcode to find it on the website if you can't find it from searching. I found this one from searching fairly easy. This is what the sleeve looks like on here. And then I don't believe the other one had anything, no. And then here is the back. Super cool. Try to do my best to show you guys here. Ignore the paper I just threw at the floor from this box. Again, I'll pick it up when I'm done. But here is that one. So this was a part of the ladies' video. And this is not the item that goes with my previous video. So let me put this one to the side. And this one is the item that goes with my previous video. Sorry guys, I have POTS. My heart's racing. A little bit of movement and standing still is just horrible for people with POTS. But I'm gonna push through. Unless it gets too bad, then I will have to cut my camera and sit down and then come back. But we'll hopefully be okay here. Because that's actually a pretty average heart rate for me there at 130 odd, unfortunately. So this is the one, and here is the sticker. Or the barcode in case you guys want to screenshot that and use that. I think these were 20, I believe. I was going to say I don't remember how much they were, but I believe the Stranger Thing one in this was 20. So I got a pair of shorts. Excuse me, guys, my nose is running a little bit. I got a pair of shorts with the same picture and the cabin and stuff. I love Friday the 13th. And again, this is an extra large. And then I saw this video. Like, I just had to have the shorts. I love slasher movies. Jason Voorhees, yes. I love the Friday the 13th. I love Freddy Krueger is my favorite. With the Nightmare on Elm Streets. But I do also really enjoy Freddy. You know, Michael Myers, all that. So I now have the hoodie and the shorts. So technically, if I wanted to have like a little set here, I could. But that is what this one looks like. And they look exactly like the shorts. I don't believe... No, nothing on the back on this one. Sorry, guys. My nose just decided to start running out of nowhere. I actually feel like now that I see these, a large probably would have sufficed because I wear a medium and tops, and these are actually in the men's section. Excuse me, guys. So these are in the men's section. If you're looking for them in person, they are men's. And so, you know, I always like them to be oversized, but these are actually very, very oversized. All right. So, 2 more items. Now, in the original video, maybe if I remember, I could include a screenshot. There was a Chucky hoodie that was camouflage with Chucky hiding in it. They did have a pair of shorts for those as well. Excuse me, guys. But I didn't want the shorts in the Chucky hoodie or anything because I didn't care for the design. I don't know if you guys have seen them, but I don't know who made the design, but it's not great. I'm sorry. If you guys like it, that's cool for you, but there was a Nightmare Before Christmas hoodie. Anyways, back to this video. In the video, that was a new $20 one, but this one was on clearance for $11, and my dad was going to get me all 3 out of the 4 from the video, so the 4th one was the Chucky. But as I was trying to find that one, it was the most difficult one to find of them all. My Walmart app, I have a very difficult time finding stuff. But here's this, if you want to look for this one. This was actually on clearance for $11. And I enjoyed the picture on this one more. So this is what this one looks like. It's mostly just black and then this design. And I thought the picture on this one looked cooler. I did like the design on the back of the one from the video. Maybe I can find a way to, again, at least screenshot it. So there's nothing on the back of here. But $11, and this is a really nice hoodie for 11 bucks. Like, I don't normally shop very much for clothing at all. And I don't really shop Walmart much since I don't have one. But they have just been, like, really on point for the kind of vibes that I like. So here is the other one. So this one was also $11 on clearance. So the one in the video was $20 for one. And I'm like, actually, Dad, can I get these ones that are $11 each? So it's like a couple dollars more. And he's like, yeah, whatever. Because then you're getting 4 hoodies. So all of these in total was about $66, including the tax. It was actually really cheap because, you know, at some stores, like at Hot Topic, or if you go to like a concert or something, you're going to pay $60 for one hoodie. So here is what this one looks like. And I really loved the picture on this one as well. So again, $11. I don't remember if I showed you guys the tag on this one. So just in case. But yeah, like, and these are pretty nice quality feeling hoodie too. They don't feel cheaply made or anything. But all right, guys, let me get these back into frame. I'm sorry you guys are going to hear me like huffing and puffing. I'm averaging my normal average there about 130 odd for standing. Pots is fun. Pots is just so much fun, and bending makes it worse. Reaching up and down, like to reach above my head or something, is also just so much on my body. So bending down to get into the box to get these It's a bit much, but I'll be okay. But all right, guys, there you have it. Please ignore the trash from the box and the floor. Thank you all so much for watching. If you can, please leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I would genuinely appreciate it. You can go ahead and check out my playlist of me opening stuff. I have more stuff from Walmart, and then I have other stuff from Target. I have book of the months. I have trading cards. I have hauls for books, video games, movies, all sorts of stuff on my channel. I have unhauls. I also put up TikTok shorts. So much content. And again, this was like $66 here, which for 4 hoodies, you just cannot go wrong. I'm so sorry. I'm very winded, you guys. But thank you all again so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.